Let me show you exactly what you get when you join the actual systems that replace the anxiety spiral with confidence. First, you get immediate access to Comfort Zone Yoga, our online home. This is where everything lives: your lesson plans, resources, community, and recordings of every call. Here's your recipe box: dozens of ready to teach lesson plans, all balanced using the 642 framework, all keyed to my books, The Art of Yoga Sequencing and Teaching Yoga Beyond the Poses. Each one is tested, refined, and ready for you to use this week. This is what ends the Sunday evening scramble. Here's your beverage cart: over 108 fully developed class themes. Never spend hours researching quotes or trying to figure out what to say again. Philosophy, poetry, practical wisdom, it's all here, ready to use. You get a custom Notion database for class planning that organizes your sequences, themes, and teaching notes in one place. This is the infrastructure that cuts your planning time in half while improving your teaching quality. You'll get your own copy to customize to your heart's content. Every month, we meet for 2 live calls. The first Tuesday is recipe implementation. We workshop how to customize that month's lesson plan for your exact students. You'll leave knowing exactly what you'll teach in your next several classes. The third Tuesday is a virtual Teachers Lounge Q&A. Bring your questions, your challenges, your wins. You will never feel alone or like you're faking it again. All calls are recorded so you never fall behind if life gets busy. And the Teachers Lounge is also available as a private podcast. And you get asynchronous mentorship in our Tasters Please community space. Share your experiments, get feedback, support your fellow teachers. This is where you bring your unbaked ideas and make them great before serving them to students. Plus, you earn 30 Yoga Alliance CEUs or 150 hours towards your 300-hour YTT with me. This is everything you need to stop spending your weekends anxious about planning and start teaching with confidence. This is how your effort finally makes you better at teaching instead of just worse at living.